Hey guys, today we're going to be making a movement for our pixel character that we have created previously. So what we're going to do first is right click on your pixel art character, your PSD file, and then we're going to make a duplicate of it. We're going to make a duplicate of it so if we make any mistakes we have an original to go back to later on. Right click and rename this to pixel art character movement 1 and press enter. Then right click, open with Photoshop. Press Command 0 to make your character fill the screen. And what we're going to do over in our layers section here is merge them together. So with the first layer here selected, we're going to hold down Shift and click the bottom one here and right click and say merge layers. And now it is all one layer and we're going to delete our scan layer here because we don't need it anymore. And I'm going to rename this outline layer to movement 1.1 and then press enter. Now I'm going to click and hold and drag it to this little icon here to make a copy. And I'm going to rename this layer to movement 1.2. So I'm going to make my character look like his arms are going up in little wiggles up there. So on this layer here, I'm going to reduce the opacity to about that so that if I use my eraser tool set to pencil mode up here, I can still see a bit of my movement 1.1 just below it. And then with my pencil tool that lives underneath the brush tool, I'm going to use a black fill here and with the pencil tool move it, make it look like his arms are wiggling up. If I make a mistake, just use the eraser tool or press Command Shift Z. Now that I've made my movement, I can turn the opacity back up on my movement 1.1 layer and turn the eye off and on to see how it will look. If you have color that you want to adjust, you can use the eyedropper tool here to select a color and it will show up in your foreground color there. You can do that for any color.